Okay, guys, working on a 2005 Chevy Silverado 5.3. We got plenty codes, but we want to focus on the engine. So we got two codes right here, the P0332 and P0496. It says the Evap system flow during non-purge. So when I do my test, so sometimes it's the purge that goes on the canister, but in this case, the customer replaced the one is on the canister, so we're the only one to replace is this one. So we're gonna do a test. So we're gonna disconnect to make sure remove. So it's connected. And okay, there you go. Okay. So when you crank the car, this one shouldn't not have a vacuum. Okay. So I connect my vacuum pump to see this one got vacuum. So as you can see, it's not holding the vacuum. All right. So that means that this is bad. But you can do another test. So you remove this one, you disconnect this one, and with a piece of paper like this, you're gonna crank the car. You're gonna start the car, and if this valve is holding the paper down, the valve is bad, so we need to replace it. Okay. All right. Good. All right. So we put the paper, and it's holding it. See? It should not hold. Look. It should not hold the paper, see? So it means the push valve right here is bad, so we need to replace it. Okay? Look. It's holding it. There you go. There we go. So we need to replace this part right here. So doing this test, we're gonna fix this problem here. With the knock sensor is we have to remove the intake because the knock sensors are underneath the intake, and but there's a little work. So for now we're gonna fix the engine code. There is a system flow. The Evap system flow is not purge, so means this valve right here is bad. Alright guys, so when I put the new one, I'm gonna show you that the paper is not holding the vacuum. So thank you guys for watching.